In this video, I'm going to tell you how long it'll take your broken bone to heal, whether it's weeks, months, or days. Let's get started. I'm Nate Mitch. Welcome to Physio Food, where we talk physical therapy and other health-related topics. I've worked in physical therapy as a licensed PTA for about 9 years, and I've seen a lot of broken bones in my career. This is video number 2 in a series on injury recovery times. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, start with the first video and go in order by checking out the links in the description. So you've just broken your bone and you're wondering, how long does it take for me to get out of this cast and get back to my life? Broken bones are called fractures. Fractures heal at different rates depending on what body part is fractured and how severe the fracture is. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever experienced a fracture and exactly how long it took for you to recover from your fracture. Also, make sure to watch till the end for a special tip on how to really hone in on your recovery from your fracture. All fractures pretty much heal at the same rate, whether it's from a severe trauma or if it's from a planned surgery. In most cases, it takes between 6 to 8 weeks for a stable fracture to heal. A stable fracture is when the bone is broken, but it's not misaligned. It still lines up perfectly and it doesn't have to be reset. Your doctor may give you a cast or just a special brace just to keep that fractured bone in place. I see stable fractures occasionally with patients that have slip and falls or with like sports collisions like basketball, football players, anything like that. You may see some swelling and bruising, but barely notice any pain until you try to put weight through the fractured bone. And these take 6 to 8 weeks like I previously stated. More severe, unstable fractures could take up to 12 weeks to recover. That's because there's potential for more complications. An unstable fracture is when the bone is broken into pieces that don't line up. So the doctor actually has to go in and set the bones so that they heal in place nice and normal. You may have felt a deep, shocking, rattling pain right during the injury. I see this a lot with construction workers that have fallen from very high buildings or just kind of fallen off a ladder. I also see this a lot with people in high-speed car accidents. Sometimes the bone is poking through the skin and even shattered in like several different pieces. You know immediately that your bone is extremely damaged due to the high pain levels that continue to ramp higher and higher as time passes. Doctors commonly give 6 to 8 weeks for a stable fracture to recover and about 6 to 12 weeks for an unstable fracture. Recovery times can be slower if you have diabetes or smoke a lot of cigarettes. However, you can speed up your healing times by eating right and strengthening up the muscles around your fracture by going to physical therapy. Which brings me to this special tip. Always consult your doctor to optimize the healing of any broken bone you have. He'll be able to order x-rays and guide you to an optimal recovery. If you're really interested in learning more about injury recovery times, make sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series by checking out the links in the description. Make sure to hit the subscribe button along with that bell icon to see videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video where we'll be discussing ligament healing times.